There's no traffic. It's the time of day when every idea is a possibility. The perfect moment. Minutes in which to drink a coffee in silence and let your thoughts run free before organizing them. Thinking about the day ahead instead of the previous one. Perhaps this is the secret to happiness. Not dwelling on the past, but looking ahead to the future. Soon, the working day will start. Loading and unloading electrical wiring and design, brawn and brains, delivering notes and new orders, frantic phone calls. The awareness that our work cannot be substituted by a machine. English, French, German, Spanish, Arabic, Russian, Chinese, Japanese, and who knows what other languages. The warmth of a meeting. Different cultures united by their love for work and life.
In sala training, per favore.
Ok.
A chat with coworkers. Everything all right at home? A joke and a laugh. To do a good job, you have to feel good and have fun. A problem solved. A mistake. It's not like we're machines. But we've always improved ourselves and will continue to do so. We've been working to improve ourselves for the last 25 years, and we intend to continue down this path. Day after day after day.